outside of hospital as well. We don't know what those numbers will be, although some stories have. We called for the lockdown. I mean, we don't think a lockdown's a helpful phrase, but for the purposes of this, I think we all know what we're saying. We called for the lockdown ahead of the government announcing it last week.
Talking to supermarket managers in my own area, but the issues of food supply further down the line are obviously the government has, excuse me, has got to step up to the plate on that, make sure the necessary workers get in to this country in order to do the work, or people are recruiting to do it, obviously working in a safe environment. So we're absolutely on that the whole time. The role of the party in all this, excuse me, I haven't got CV, it's just a dry biscuit during the call earlier. Big thank you to all the party members for doing that.